Hi, my name's Louisa from Global English TESOL courses, and in this video, I'm just going to show you how I would introduce one of my beginner online English lesson worksheets. Now, the idea with these worksheets is they're really simple and ready to go, but they do require you to use some drilling or repetition techniques. So I'm just going to showcase that really. So I've chosen my beginner English worksheet number 14, which is on routines. I get up, I wake up, all those kind of things. What you'll see when you see me drilling is that I spend quite a lot of time doing it. It's really important because beginners, if it's new language, just will not be able to remember this language. They need to be able to use it, say it a few times and get their mouths around it. And also it needs to be shown in context. So I'll be accompanying the drilling, the repetition with mime. Okay, so it's a simple technique you can use across my worksheets, and I'm going to demo this with my routine beginner English worksheets. So notice how I do the drilling, notice how long I take over the drilling. I spend quite a long time, but also how I keep it moving, how I get everyone to repeat using body language, gesture, things like that, and also how I get individuals to repeat to make sure they're listening and focused. So here goes. Here's the beginning of my worksheet. I'm just going to share my screen. Great. So here we go. And I might start like this. Hello, this is me in the morning. In the morning. This is my morning. Okay. I wake up. I wake up. I wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Good. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Good. June. Good. Peter. Claire. Good. Together. Good. Good. Then I get up. I get up. I get up. Claire. June. Peter. Good. Everyone, I get up. Good. Okay. I wake up. Well done. Good job. Good job. Then I have a shower. I have a shower. Good. I have a shower. Good. I have a shower. Good. June. Good. Peter. Good. Claire. Good. Everyone. Good. 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 Well done. Well done. So that's it really. I spend quite a long time miming, saying things, getting them to repeat, and then I check with each of them that they could say the words. And I would continue like that. That would probably take a good 10 minutes to get through all of that. And then I'd be checking. I would just constantly be saying, John, and miming. And then maybe I'd get them to mime and get another student to say what is happening. So a really simple but effective technique, and that runs across all of the beginner English worksheets. So if you want to find out more about how to get these beginner English worksheets, look at the link below.